Good morning and welcome to Brands Hatch and a car park. And I'm here with Caterham. They've invited me down to have a go in some Caterhams and try out their new Caterham experience down here. And I'm going to be doing a bit of drifting. So it's all about learning today, having a go, see what's going on, and I'm going to get in the car and have a go.
Why not? Yeah, let's do it.
Back out of the car. I was worried I was going to suck at that so much, but there's such friendly cars to drive, and they're set up to go sideways. So once you've worked out what you're doing, you just sort of point a squirt and off they go, and then it's time. I've sort of at the point now where I'm trying to manage the course and, you know, work out your turn-in angles and stuff like that. But sliding any car is so much fun. The little wheel is just like spinning in your hands. You're trying to keep up with it, but essentially you just got to let go, catch, work a little bit, let go, catch, and then it's adjusting some of the corners. It's a little bit of how you're braking, how you're accelerating. Wicked fun. It's just driving Caterham sideways. Just got back and you can see the smile on my face. Just done my second set of 10 laps just by myself, got a bit more used to it, overcooked it a little bit. I think on the back section I probably need to be changing up to second because I'm just running out of gas, and I started to put in an extra turn, but I think in reality you want to change up, but then you've got to change down mid-drift. It's wicked fun. It's so much fun. Oh, you just want to do more and just like refine it, and then you kick the ignition. I kicked the key like 3 times and that turned the car off. So that's that, and then I think we're moving on to another exercise, another like activity in a minute, but yeah, good times. Just been out in this car and it has the steering the wrong way round, so you turn left, it goes right. Very disorientating in the beginning, but then you almost like, your brain starts to work it out and you just get going. That was really good fun. A lot more fun than I thought it was going to be, and I was a lot better than I thought it was going to be, but wicked fun. Okay, the third activity we've got today is these goggle things, and they turn your world upside down. So I had a little look through them earlier, and there's almost like 2 separate images, so they're not that well synced either, and they're both upside down and they're both out of the place. So I'll be looking forwards and upside down. I don't know, give it a go. Getting out of the upside down goggle thing, it's not actually part of the experience if you come down. If you come down, it's but just drifting you'll do, but that was mind-bendingly tricky because you instinctively, if you're looking too high, look down, like, you know, your head tilts down, which then makes you look further up, which then makes you want to throw up. But it was good fun. Novel. If anyone wants to get some off Amazon or eBay and give it a go, I would recommend it, but at very low speeds. Right, same exercise as before. You probably can't hear me because I'm wearing a helmet, but we put a figure of 8 in the middle of it, so let's give it a go. In the middle of all this drifting and all that sort of stuff, we have 2 cars parked. We have a 620R, and over here we have a 620S. The S is a bit more road biased. I think it's slightly soft setup, not quite as aggressive. A bit stickier compound tyres, I think this is correct. And a little bit more hardcore, more for your sort of track focused. I drove the 310 a while back, and I drove it on like a sort of slightly wet, damp day, and that was more than enough power. Felt ridiculous. This has double that power. So 620 is the brake horsepower per ton, which is an absolutely ludicrous figure. So I'm gonna talk to Caterham, and hopefully they'll let me have a go somewhere in the dry. I think the wet will be just ridiculous, but somewhere in the dry in one of these, and see what it's like on the road, on the track, all of those sorts of things. I'd love to have a go on the road, and then I'd really love to have a go on the track. But yeah, let's keep having a look around. To wrap it off, here at Brands Hatch with Caterham and their new driver experience they've got on here, I just say, I don't know, it was a wicked day. I really enjoyed the drifting. I'm not 100% sure on the pricing. I think it's about £180 for a couple of hours and a lot of sliding around and just a lot of laughs and a lot of fun. And I would heavily recommend it for anyone that wants to have a go at sliding a car, because within 5 minutes you're fully lit, like it's just on it. So come down and check it out if you're interested.